Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fabulous home decor solution that's turning heads and making DIY renovations easier than ever. This is the best FloorPops peel and stick floor tiles, designed by Chris Loves Julia, and they're sure to elevate your space effortlessly. So, let's jump right in and explore what makes these tiles so special. First off, the design is simply stunning. The Bonneville beige tiles feature a modern marble checkerboard pattern that adds a touch of elegance to any room. Whether you're revamping your kitchen, bathroom, or any other living area, these tiles can instantly transform your flooring, without the need for extensive renovations or high costs. It's chic, it's stylish, and it's super versatile. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the standout features of these FloorPops tiles is their peel and stick application. No grout, no special tools. Just peel off the backing and stick them directly onto your clean, dry floor. It's as easy as that. This means you can achieve a professional look without the hassle of traditional flooring methods. Imagine transforming a dull space into a vibrant one in just a matter of hours. But it's not just about looks and ease of use. These tiles are made from virgin vinyl material, which means they are not only water resistant but also durable and washable. The textured low-luster finish gives them a realistic appearance while ensuring they can withstand daily wear and tear. Perfect for high-traffic areas, you won't have to worry about scratches or stains ruining your investment. Each pack of these tiles contains 10 individual tiles, covering a total of 10 square feet. Measuring 12 by 12 inches each, they offer great coverage for smaller spaces or can be combined for larger areas. This flexibility makes it easy to customize your flooring to fit your specific needs. Check this out. With just a few hours of work, we've completely transformed this space. The difference is remarkable. The FloorPops tiles not only look great but also add a layer of warmth and comfort to the room. Whether you're renting or own your home, this is a fantastic option for anyone looking to refresh their living space without breaking the bank. Another great aspect is their versatility. They work well with various decor styles, whether you're going for a modern minimalist look, a rustic charm, or anything in between. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just a damp mop will do the trick. And if you're concerned about making a commitment, don't worry. These tiles can be removed without damaging your floor, making them a great temporary solution for those who love to change things up often. So there you have it. The FloorPops X Chris Loves Julia peel and stick floor tiles are not just a pretty face. They're functional, easy to install, and incredibly stylish. Perfect for any DIY enthusiast or anyone looking to enhance their home decor with minimal effort. If you're interested in trying them out, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and home improvement tips. See you next time.